competition time. A prize that you actually can't put a price on. You get to spend a whole day with me from morning till evening. You get to see my real day. I will take you around as many developments as I can. We'll go for lunch. You can ask me any questions you want to ask me. You get to see a real property developer's day, and we'll spend the whole day going around my sites in my Lamborghini. All you have to do on today's daily, comment Lamborghini, make sure you're subscribed, make sure you like today's daily, and tomorrow I will pick the winner. Like I said, something I've never done before, and a prize that you actually can't put a price on. £600,000 house that I've doubled the square footage, and it's probably going to be the most beautiful house on the entire street, and I hate it here.
So you think from one property you can make a whole year's wage if you saw something like this?
You can make anything from £2,000 a month to £100,000 a month. Oh, not the correct attire, but we're not on a building site, so we're good. Hello everyone, how are we all?
Good.
Good.
Shivering.
I know. Well, nothing's changing here, has it? Did the garden get done? Yeah, I think you should do it.
You reckon?
Yeah, to do the garden, so we can see what we're working with.
Yeah.
When can you do it?
Tomorrow. You can start whenever.
Yeah, get him to do the garden, so at least I know. Can you get, how much did he say demolish that out? Can you remove that?
He didn't say that.
Ask him.
Oh, I can ask him now.
See how much he'd charge to remove that garage. That's asbestos on the roof as well.
What are we doing today, Steve?
Deal sourcing are all here. The partners in the division are here. Got some members of the division, just some people in general. Just come to have a look around and see what we're doing. This one, I think Cavan's getting some builders and some contractors in to start the work on here shortly. Garden's being done, as in, when I say being done, we're not renovating it, we're stripping it back to see what space we've got with it, because that's a big garden. And yeah, it's going to be a really good day, or whatever's left of the day, because I'm late. It's a 1-bedroom unit up there, very easily. And it's not as much work as everybody thinks. It's not as much work as you think.
There's not much left on the ceiling, is
There's nothing left on the ceiling there.
Would you have to like redo the roof with that as well?
No, the roof's good. We've got a good roof. As you can see, this house has been like this for a while now, and there's nothing at all. So we've got a really good watertight roof. Drop the ceiling by about ½ a metre. Where you're standing is where the stairs will go to go up there, and then you could probably get, well, depending on the floor space, you get 1/2 bedrooms up there very easily.
Would you turn this into 2 rooms and the stairs will keep this as one?
Just as one. It's
and
good.
if it's supported living,
Yeah.
if it would be that, would they have to have their own toilets?
Yeah, it'll all be self-contained, this one, so it'll all be individual rooms with individual toilets and individual kitchens.
Boom! Second property.
Back in again. Wasn't this the day before yesterday?
Yeah, it was Monday, I think.
Okay. Back again. I'm on it, Eno. I'm on it. I'm doing things. I'm on it. Making sure money is being spent correctly. Time is being done. Time is being done. It's being done in a timely manner. Yeah. Let me have a look around, and I'll let you know my thoughts again. We have paint. We actually have a mist coat on the walls. Wow! Shout out to one of the best contractors I have ever seen in my career, ever. They're just incredible. Like literally, I keep saying it, they are absolutely incredible. What a great team of people, what a great team of workers the guy's got who runs this company. Efficient, on the ball. Yeah, hats off. This is awesome. This is when you, as a sourcer, if you can source these kind of properties for investors, this is where you will excel. Obviously there's levels though, you've got to go through the basics first and then get up to these kind of properties. But once you start sourcing these types of properties, this is where the real money comes into play. This is where you can earn like 10, 20, 30, 40 grand every time you source a property. So you think from one property you can make a whole year's wage if you source something like this. Guys, I'm back February the 15th at the Hilton Hotel in Liverpool. The best property education in the entire country. Property Circle, we are coming, whether you are new to property, whether you are experienced in property, you will receive the latest up-to-date information, and whatever strategy you are thinking of doing, I will break it down, simplify it, and I will help you to achieve your dreams. I am the person who can give you the correct education in order for you guys to live the life that you want to live. £10 a ticket, do not miss this event. That there was going to be a bathroom, and then this was going to be a bedroom, one bedroom, and then that was just like some disused, it was about this high, yeah,
Yes,
just
I remember
disused, and I've actually now turned it into the bathroom,
Oh, nice.
so now I have 2 bedrooms instead of 1.
Yeah.
Going to the hospital.
Oh,
The hospital are taking it.
for staff or
Yeah, for
support?
staff.
Okay.
Yeah. Makes sense, it's easier. I don't have to go out and view it.
They've done the time.
They've done the due diligence, they send it over. We all assess it, basically.
Yeah.
It comes to the team and we all look at it, and then if it stacks up,
Numbers.
yeah. So the one you've just been to, that was a sourcer.
Right.
Yeah, that was someone who worked for the division. They're no longer with us, but they was.
Oh,
That's
sorry.
sorry, mate. Sorry, mate. Anyway, we've moved the car as well for you to pull the vans in.
Nice one.
You're welcome. Yeah, but sources is where I buy most of my deals from.
Nice.
But you got to get the right sources,
Mm-hmm.
because a lot of them out there are just horrendous.
What about the auctions? Would they come from source?
No, I get them myself.
You just
Yes.
that's something that you found.
Yeah, so I'm always looking at auctions. Every single day I see what's popping up in the auctions, and I do that myself. Don't trust the sources to buy from auction. Because, like I said yesterday on the University Live, auctions for houses is exactly the same as auctions for cars. It's somebody else's pile of shit that they're trying to get rid of. So you've got to know what you're looking for in order to price it up to get it for the figure you want to get it for. But a lot of people will buy a property, traders especially, unscrupulous ones. They'll kick the front door off, they'll smash the windows, they'll make the house even worse than the condition that they actually bought it in, and then they'll stick it in auction the following month, and they'll get more for it than what they actually paid for it. Because stupid people who don't understand the property world, stupid people who don't understand the property world, think because the property's in a more of a
Bad condition, they're like, oh, we'll get a good price.
there's more money.
Yeah.
I see it all the time. I see it loads and loads and loads. Because remember, what you've got to keep thinking is the world is black, white, and there's a massive grey part in the middle. And 99% of people play in the grey part. So you've got to have your wits about you at all times.
Yeah.
This is what you should be doing, you know. You should be taking people around. I know you wasn't supposed to come here today because you was down the road, but this is what you should be doing with the sourcing division, so they can see.
Yeah,
Like-
it's very good to. It's really good to like put it into perspective.
Yeah, like the last house that you was at, that was sourced by someone who used to work for us. This one wasn't sourced by anybody, but again, it's auction. So if you know how to think and you listen to what I say, it's pretty cool. Cleaning here today, haven't you? Sorting out the stairs, sorting out the kitchens.
So hopefully we should receive a quote over the next couple of days for stairs, the kitchen, even down to the tiling done first before the kitchen's put on. And he's also going to give me a price, just so we can get a rough idea where they're at, to laminate this once we're ready for it, because they can do everything.
What's their availability like?
So their availability on the kitchen and stuff could be almost straight away, because they've got 4 kitchen fitters that actually work for them.
Yeah.
The stairs, they're going to speak to the guy that has them made. They can push for a quicker turnaround, but you're still looking at a few weeks before the stairs are delivered.
I want this wrapped up in 4 weeks. Because I want to put 2023 projects behind me now. I want them done. I don't actually care what it costs.
Well, I've got another guy coming to give us a quote for the stairs, so I can compare the prices and see which one's got the quickest turnaround.
Can you see all this from here?
Yeah.
It's extensions.
Ah.
Yeah. Double story, all out, and that thing at the back an extension. So the house was just this, and then 3 rooms there. We've doubled the size of this. I need to get this one and that one, which is down the road, finished in the next 4 weeks, because I just want to put 2023 projects behind me. Because these are not good memories. These ones are not good. Don't like them. Not something I'm happy with. Not something I like. Not something that fills me with any like excitement when I walk in. It's a £600,000 house that I've doubled the square footage, and it's probably going to be the most beautiful house on the entire street, and I hate it here. So the quicker it's finished, the better. And I actually don't care what it costs me to finish them now, as you just heard me tell Dan. I just want them done in the next 4 weeks. So, JB2 house, I think we're going to have that in navy blue. And then in my down south project, that's the colour kitchen I think we're going to go for in that one. So in this one across back here, guys, this wall here, navy blue, all the way along. I think that's where it needs to be. And then the island there will be like 2 metres long, and like a light grey tile in here, 800 by 800. So Dan's on it. It's got people coming in. And I think I could do with cleaning this out.
Yeah.
If we could get this all done.
I'll arrange something.
Yeah. And the leak stopped in that
The
room.
leak stopped, yeah. Well, obviously
Yeah.
we need to replace all the skating boards because it's soaked through.
Okay. Yeah. Onwards and upwards. So guys, I know I just said that I hate this property. You know what? No, I don't. Onwards and upwards, it's amazing. We are clean. We have this side clean, the back needs to be clean, the front needs to be clean. I just need to get a blank canvas in here. And from Monday I need to get my stairs fitted, my kitchen fitted, my floors tiled, the carpentry finished off, and I need to bring this one to a close, that one to a close, and I need to bring my projects in Preston to a close. The sooner I get rid of these 3 properties, well 4 properties actually from 2023, the happier I'll be. And because I'm taking over these properties now, which I did from the beginning of January, I've ironed a lot of the issues out that I found in here, and I am ready to get these out of the way so I can continue with my journey. Now in here we had a couple of issues the other day. So we had, come and take a look at this. So we had a pipe down here that burst, and it's caused a bit of an issue in here. So all the skirting board in here needs replacing. Someone broke into this property, if you can remember, so the bottom of this door's been kicked in. Again, do you know what? It is what it is, because I'll just keep smiling. I'll just keep smiling, keep moving, keep getting it done, keep fixing things, keep moving forwards. And no matter what happens, no matter how many times we have issues in the property world with builds and planning and etc., I'm still going to keep smiling, because I'm still coming out on top every single time, because my desire, my consistency, my discipline does not allow me to get sidetracked, dragged down and involved in anything other than make money, move forward, add value, build a network, build a portfolio, make sure my Isabella and crews are completely happy and healthy, and we keep growing every day. So this house got sourced for me, and that is the power of deal sourcing. So if you know how to deal source correctly, you get educated correctly by someone like me, and you can do it to the proper standards with morals, you can make anything from £2,000 a month to £100,000 a month. The sky is the limit. Literally, there's a reason that 9 years into my journey, I'm still deal sourcing. There's a reason. There's a reason that I have a deal sourcing division with 70 members in. There's a reason why I actually put money into my division to make it work, because the money that comes back from it is absolutely unbelievable. So this property was deal sourced. I've spent the day with all the deal sourcers, and hopefully I'm motivating them, because they can see, well, hang on, Steve buys most of these properties from deal sourcers. So there must be some really good ones out there, and they are. All the good ones are ones that have been taught by me and other educators who do it professionally. So if you want to be a deal sourcer, I do have a whole deal sourcing division where I provide investors, I provide training, I provide offices, I can help you set up a company. You can go under my compliance for now while you're building. I have everything with deal sourcing, like absolutely everything for you guys. So I need to let Phil go now because he needs to get this edited and out for you guys today. The Lamborghini giveaway, tomorrow, comment Lambo below. The ads at the beginning, comment, guys, keep commenting because what a prize that is, completely priceless. You get to spend the day with me.